Hello and welcome. My name is Leland, and I'm a solutions architect specializing in end user computing at AWS. Today I'm joined by my colleague, Kaylin Dillon, a senior worldwide specialist solutions architect who brings extensive experience helping customers implement secure, scalable remote work solutions. Today we're excited to walk you through a feature for Amazon Workspaces that allows file transfer capabilities, specifically how users can now move files between their virtual desktop session and local devices. If you manage virtual environments, you know how valuable, secure, seamless file transfer can be for your productivity and collaboration. Let's talk about why this feature is important. Secure file transfer is critical for efficient workflows, especially in today's hybrid remote work environments. It simplifies everyday tasks, allowing users to access and share files instantly, which speeds up collaboration across teams. The new capabilities are user-friendly and centrally managed to support your organization's security requirements, bringing instant file availability and persistent storage to Workspaces sessions. Administrators can control access, monitor transfers, and enforce policies, providing a secure and seamless user experience. Now let's talk about control. IT administrators want to ensure file transfers meet your organization's policies and regulatory standards. You can leverage group policy to fine-tune and control how and when files can be moved in and out of your environment. This gives you granular control over your data flow, helps balance productivity with security, and ensures compliance, whether for all users or just specific groups of users. Now that we got all that out of the way, let's move on to the demo of this feature. Kaylin will walk you through how to get this feature set up, as well as demonstrate its functionality.
Thanks, Leland. Hello, friends. My name is Kaylin, and in this demonstration, I will be showing you how to enable client file transfer support for Amazon Workspaces Personal. In this example, I will be using the Workspaces Group Policy Administrative Templates and Microsoft Active Directory to enable the file transfer feature. Although you may also use local policy management, or you can directly add values to the registry if Active Directory or Group Policy does not apply to you. This feature is currently supported when using the DCV display protocol on Amazon Workspaces Personal alongside the native Workspaces client from Microsoft Windows, Linux, or the web-based client. The first thing I'm going to do, as detailed in the Workspaces Administration Guide, is to copy our administrative templates from the Amazon WSP folder in Program Files, locally here on my Workspaces, into my Active Directory Central Store. You want to ensure that the ADMX, or definitions file, is copied into the Policy Definitions folder, and that the ADML, or language file, is copied into the English folder. Next, I will use the Group Policy Management Editor to modify the group policy object I have already created and linked to the organizational unit in which my Workspaces machine objects are located. The setting will be under Computer Configuration, Policies, Administrative Templates, Amazon, WSP. WSP stands for Workspaces Streaming Protocol, now known as Amazon DCV. Then I'm going to select Configure Session Storage on the right pane, and I'm going to select Enabled. I'm also going to select the download and upload option. However, if you wanted to, you could choose unidirectional settings of upload and download only. You're also able to specify a path for the feature to use as its storage location. However, we're going to leave it as default today, which is the root of the user's profile folder or home folder. Once I select OK, the policy will be updated, and if you have already linked it to an organizational unit in Active Directory like I have, your fleet of workspaces should start picking it up through regular group policy polling events. Once in place, the next time the user logs in, they will see the file transfer option in the menu bar at the top. When selected, a dialog box will be displayed by the Workspaces client, which shows the file system on your workspaces. In this example, I'll browse to my desktop folder, and I'll select the upload button. This will allow me to browse the file system on my local machine for files I wish to upload to my workspaces. I'll select an example document, and once selected, the file upload progress will be displayed, as well as a message once the upload is complete, and you'll notice that my file is now visible on my desktop. That concludes our demonstration, and thanks for watching. Back to you, Leland.
Thanks, Kaylin. That wraps up our demonstration for today. Here's a list of resources we referenced, and you'll find all the links included in the video description below. Thank you for your time, and have an excellent day.